your bestie for that. I am going to using Hey, thank you so much, Leah. So here's I'm gonna share with you how you can do that, so then that way you will not having troubleshooting with that. So I'm gonna do just a really not too thin, just get some because this is a 3D, but it's flat back 3D. So you're gonna have a pointed 3D and then you'll have a flat back 3D. So this is basically is really cool and it's make it so nice and curves along with the nail plates and the C curve of the nails. So you can sit back and relax. That is not gonna be like really hard for you to place them. So what color should I go? Lighter or darker? I like them both. All right, everyone, what you want to see on this one is a purple nude, and this is a purple nude, and it's a pink nude.
Well, let's start with the pink.
The pink, I like this pink.
The more pinky.
Okay, so even if you have a tweezers, you can't using it, or you just simply just place and gently right there. I'm gonna show you. Look at that and how it stay nice and flat on it. Hold on. I'm just gonna hold it first because it's haven't cured yet. But look at that. It looks like you building that one on the nails, right?
And it pop.
All right. So let me cure this one in like 10 seconds. Flash cure.
Yep. And no worry, Dom. We're gonna put the flower on the other now.
Oh.
Not this one.
Which one? We're gonna do a bees or no? No bees. Now we'll go flowers all the way.
Might as well.
You want to see a flower instead of?
Well, I guess you can do bee and flower, can you?
Yeah. Yeah. You want bees on it? We can do bees. We can do 2 bees. Too cute, the little one. We can do a tiny little one instead of big one. Okay. And the same thing with this. We're gonna do the flowers right here, maybe in the bees there. How about that?
There you go.
Hey Nikki, how are you? Hey Andre. How are you? Hey, oh, Isabella is beautiful just like that. Absolutely, I agree with that. Just absolutely. Thanks, Leah. Hey, China, how are you? All right, so we're gonna leave it alone like that. I think it's great. If you feel like you really want, like really want, okay, really want, I saying it. You can put once right there. But should we? Yes or no?
Well, you know what? You already have the pattern. Might as well put a bee on it.
Yeah.
That works. This one, the other one, you just have flowers. So that just flower.
All right. So if you want this bee to be on it, again, so this now we are going to do condensed glue gels. And maybe she's gonna land right there. I'm gonna place more. And all the edges I miss, I am going to using a pre-seasoned glue. I'm so excited.
Oh, we have a couple of no in there. That like. Hey, so yeah, for you want to copy this now? If you want to stop here, you're very good. You're good. This is very beautiful by itself. But hey, you watching Nancy? She's gonna bring it out.
Oh no, I'm just doing the bees.
Just the bee. Okay.
Just the bee.
Just the bee. But yes, it's perfectly fine. You want to stop right there, put some top coat on, and cure.
Who said do it? Stop. Do stop.
Yeah,
Now I get confused. So no wet top coat.
Oh, schematics say on top of flower.
Ah, okay, you can do that. And even like a butterflies, you can do a
I think
butterfly.
you could, but then it's gonna be hard to land though, because you don't have a whole lot of thing to grab onto the bee.
Put another bestie or bee in there. And you can leave the flowers alone like this, or you can outline it. Absolutely, it's up to you.
Well, you already had the bee on. Might as well
fancy it up.
Yeah, fancy it up.
Oh, you want some AB?
I don't know. They have room for AB on that one though. The
No,
other nails, yes. The other nail you can throw some AB on there and make some pattern. Maybe
I can use tiny little bee, but then it might take away from a flower. So I'll leave it alone. Maybe I'll do AB bees there on the other one. Here for 60 seconds. I'm gonna show you little bees that you can see. You can use some bees like that. There's so many of different kinds. I don't know, it's a little bit glare, but look at that tiny little bees here.
Yep.
You can do the bees right like this, you know. You can create it. If you don't have the bees,
That's crystal bee.
don't worry about. You can create your bees from a crystal bees.
Yep,
So
a giant bee and a bunch
like
of tiny ones.
tiny little ones right there. You can see that.
So get back to that. Let's get back to the nail.
Hey, Scalcina Nails, thank you. It's take away from a beauty. So we'll leave it alone.
So,
As you wish.
Outline? Do you want to outline the flower? Just give it some gold? Or no?
You want to see some goals on the flowers?
I say that'd be cute.
You absolutely can do that. I just buff it on the side, so I think it was just stuff that right, right here.
Got it? Well, easy then, China.
China, wow, you make me drop everything out of my hands. Yep, I'm gonna do another one. So now I am using is, sorry if I missed it.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Right there.
Stop.
Okay, good. Just using a little bit. You can do it thin and just a little bit thin of it to make it stand out. You don't have to, as I said, as you don't like if you don't want to.
Yes. Which one has some extra bling to it. And this is just a little bit overkill, but hey, make them look pretty.
I always saying it's just if you don't want it,
You can stop at any point.
you can stop at any point. You don't have to go. I feel like I have a crystal like obsessions and then crystal and like tolerate so high. And you just keep addicted to it and you keep doing it.
Hey, Lori.
Hello, welcome back, Laurie.
Yes, that's his Nancy now. You got it. No basic now. Well,
This is basic though,
well,
because
time
we
to
didn't.
time we do take it slow, but most of the time we bling it out.
Okay, so you're happy with this, and then we are clear. Like we'll clear this one. 60 seconds.